The polishes I'll be using today is Zoya Hannah, Zoya Willa. The stamping polishes I'll be using is Brave Diva on the black and Dance Legend Gold. First, I'll be adding base coat to all of my nails. I'll be painting Willa on my pointer finger and my pinky. I'll be using 2 coats of and Hannah will go on the rest of my fingers. I'll be using Uber Chic's Pretty in Plaid stamping plate. I'll be using a sticky base coat on top of my dry nail polish, and that helps the stamped image stick to it better. And I will be letting that sit on there for about a minute, minute and a half before I place the stamping on. I'll be using this image right here. I got a pretty good pickup, so I will just remove this stuff from around the edges here. Okay, so I want to kind of do this on a diagonal. So I'm going to do this right here. Okay. There we go. Okay, and here is the last one. And I'm going to use this image right here with the gold. I'll just do a little cleanup with my corrector pen around the edges where needed. I'm going to use Smudge Free Top Coat by Maniology over the stamped design. And now that the smudge free is dry, I will be adding my favorite long-lasting top coat to all of my nails. So here is the finished look, a fun and festive mani. I completely love this for the holidays. It is so, I don't know, classy. I really like the whole plaid thing. I'm finding a lot of plaid tablecloths and holiday gift wraps and bags this year, so I thought this is definitely one of my favorite looks. I hope you like it too. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.